Welcome. Bonsai is where art meets life. Sometimes life throws you curveballs, sometimes pitfalls, and sometimes we have emergencies, and sometimes we need to take care of them. And bonsai can be very fun, very exciting when you work on your trees, and I think that's the main thing, is be focused and go for your ideal result and have fun while you're doing it. So we're going to do a little work on this Chinese elm today. As you can see, the root base is actually self-strangling. Through root pruning, you can save this tree's life. Now it's hot and sunny today, so we're going to try to do this quick. We're going to keep misting the roots, so we're not going to dry out the tree roots and stress them out. Now my assistant's going to help me, so I will take the phone. Alright, now you can put that pot on the ground. Thank you. Pass this back to you. Let's have a look at this root structure. Look at that. Look at those fibrous roots. Very This is some of the old soil from its first pot when I bought it. I bought this tree 2 years ago. From a greenhouse. It was the only sizable tree I could find. Gave it a repot that year because the soil was not ideal. Oh, look at that. Self-tangled. Tangled to shit. Actually, these large roots are not even helping the tree at all. Especially these have been in the air. Find the base of each of these roots, cut back to where it's no longer tangled and problematic. Apologize for the video quality. This is my first video, and this is an emergency. As you can see, it needed to happen. So we got roots going back on themselves. We're just going to tease them out a little. And this guy, quite tangled and probably thirsty. Let's just clean the roots a bit. Can't believe how fine and hairy those roots are. Those are all the good roots. These are the bad roots. Find where this mess begins. Let's get at that big nabari we got down there. So we can show it off and let it grow. I can't believe this would even happen. The tree had it out for itself. Like it was spinning when it went in the pot. There's a problem right there. Cut back to the next root. Not a lot of feeders coming off it. This root is fine to cut off. Allow more space in the pot. Get these in an outward radial direction. See radius. Some of these big ones at the base we like, but if they're out here just tangling themselves, this has got to go. Definitely going to cut that off. And at the base, so any energy flowing through this gets redirected into the next living root. What we're doing is controlling the energy of this tree, bringing order to the chaos of this tree's life. We don't want to do too much though all at once. This is a gradual process, so I'm going to keep what's left and pot it back in the tree. Give it a rinse. And because we've cut back some root, it's the perfect time to cut back some foliage. We cut back root and foliage in the same proportions, we'll have the least stress on the tree. So I would say we cut a good 20% of our feeder roots and a lot of the problematic tangling roots. This is not a great root base, but I can work with this. We can promote good roots in the future. So let's get our drainage screens. Put one on each hole. Very important. We can wire this tree down if we need to, so we're going.
So what do the wires do?
Anchor the tree.
So it doesn't blow away?
So it doesn't blow over or tip over or in movement. Sometimes we're quite physical with our trees. Managed to get the wire through to here. It's just a push and pull situation. All right, now we're ready. Drainage screen on. Bit of soil in the base. Very good. Okay, we'll go with that as the front. Just got a little upward root. do.
Very nice even spread too.
Alright, you going?
Yeah.
All these roots we cut off our Chinese hill. Who needs them?